A balanced diet is a cornerstone of longevity and overall health. The Mediterranean diet exemplifies a balanced approach to nutrition. This diet emphasizes a high intake of vegetables and fruits. It also includes nuts, known for their healthy fats and nutrients. Olive oil is a primary source of fat in the Mediterranean diet, offering numerous health benefits. Regular consumption of fish provides essential omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. Research suggests a strong correlation between the Mediterranean diet and reduced heart disease risk. Visualizations reveal that this diet leads to less plaque accumulation in arteries. The diet promotes improved cardiovascular function. These benefits are observed when compared to diets with less healthy compositions. Regular physical activity significantly improves cardiovascular health. Brisk walking is an effective form of exercise for enhancing cardiovascular function. Swimming provides a full-body workout that benefits the cardiovascular system. Cycling is a low-impact activity that strengthens the heart muscle. These activities enhance blood flow throughout the body. Consistent exercise strengthens the heart muscle, improving its efficiency. Staying physically active is a key strategy in preventing chronic diseases. Regular exercise significantly reduces the risk of developing diabetes. Physical activity also aids in preventing obesity and related health issues. Exercise enhances the body's insulin sensitivity, improving glucose utilization. Maintaining a healthy weight through activity lowers the risk of metabolic disorders. Active lifestyle contributes to overall metabolic health and disease prevention. Strong social bonds significantly contribute to a long and healthy life. Close relationships with family and friends are crucial for overall well-being. Maintaining these connections fosters a sense of happiness and contentment. Social interaction helps to alleviate feelings of loneliness and isolation. Supportive relationships provide emotional resilience during challenging times. Engaging in social activities enhances mental and emotional health. Social engagement plays a crucial role in maintaining mental well-being. Active social interactions are linked to a reduced risk of depression. Engaging with others fosters a sense of connection and belonging. Social activities stimulate the release of endorphins in the brain. These endorphins contribute to feelings of pleasure and happiness. Social interaction also influences neurotransmitter activity, positively impacting mood. Chronic stress can negatively impact health and reduce lifespan. Effective stress management techniques can lower stress levels. Meditation is a technique that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Yoga and mindful breathing exercises can also help manage stress. Daily meditation, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, can greatly enhance mental well-being. Meditation practices have a direct impact on brain activity. Specifically, meditation can lead to reduced activity in the amygdala. The amygdala is the region of the brain primarily associated with processing fear and stress. Therefore, regular meditation helps to calm the brain's fear center, promoting a sense of peace. Adequate and restful sleep is essential for the body's recovery processes. Sufficient sleep contributes significantly to overall longevity and health. The sleep cycle is composed of multiple distinct stages. Each stage of the sleep cycle plays a vital role in both physical and mental restoration. Optimal sleep duration, approximately 7 to 8 hours nightly, is associated with improved health outcomes. Sufficient sleep correlates with increased longevity and overall well-being. Data visualizations demonstrate a clear link between adequate sleep and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Prioritizing sleep is a key factor in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and preventing long-term health issues. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Sufficient sleep enhances the body's resistance to infections. During sleep, the production of immune cells is increased. This heightened immune cell production strengthens the body's defense mechanisms. Quality sleep is essential for optimal cognitive function. Adequate sleep enhances memory consolidation and recall abilities. Sufficient rest improves attention span and focus. Problem-solving skills are also significantly boosted by quality sleep. Brain scans reveal stronger neural connections following a restful night. These enhanced connections support improved cognitive processing. A balanced lifestyle integrates healthy nutrition and regular physical activity. Combining these elements creates a synergistic effect. This synergy maximizes the overall health benefits. Ultimately, a balanced lifestyle promotes longevity. Strong social connections provide a crucial buffer against life's challenges. Effective stress management techniques enhance this protective effect. The combination of social support and stress management fosters resilience. Resilience enables individuals to navigate difficulties with greater ease. Ultimately, this synergy promotes overall well-being and mental health. Prioritizing quality sleep is crucial for overall well-being. Quality sleep enhances the benefits of healthy nutrition. It also complements the positive effects of physical activity. Furthermore, quality sleep supports the benefits of social connections. Adequate sleep contributes to a longer and healthier life. A holistic approach to longevity involves integrating multiple key factors. These factors include healthy nutrition, ensuring the body receives essential nutrients. Regular physical activity is also crucial for maintaining health and vitality. Strong social connections contribute to mental and emotional well-being. Effective stress management techniques are vital for overall health. Quality sleep is essential for physical and cognitive restoration.